Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a multiple virtual desktop on Windows 11. If you would like to create the multiple desktop, then you can use the Windows 11 virtual desktop features. This will be helpful to create the multiple virtual desktop and organize the app with the different desktop wallpaper. Let's learn how you can create this. First, you have to enable the task view. So you have to right click on the taskbar and click on the taskbar settings. Then you have to enable the task view. Now you have to click on the task view. This will be open the desktop, and you can also create the multiple desktop. So I have two desktops. So the second desktop, I have to right click and click on the choose background. Here I have to change the background. So now you can check it out. This is my first desktop and this one is my second desktop. So the third one, I have to again change the different wallpaper. So I have to click on the choose background and choose this one. Actually, I'm managing the apps. That means the first desktop, I'm using these apps. The second one, open some apps. So I'm using the video editor, this desktop only. So if I move the first desktop, there is no view on the video editor. So if I open the second desktop, the video editor is available. If I go to third desktop, the video editor is not available. So here you can open some other apps. So Notepad I have open here. If I go to second desktop, Notepad is not available. This way you can use the multiple desktop to manage the different apps. This will be easy to process your work whenever you are open the many apps. If you would like to move the apps to one desktop to another desktop, so you have to select the desktop what you would like to move the apps. So this app I have to move to first one. So now if you open the first desktop, the video editor is moved in the first desktop. So I have to open the second desktop, it's not available. This way we can manage the multiple desktop and work process more easier. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.